How's it going, folks? I hope you're all doing well. It's been a bit of a slow start to the day. It's like 3:30 now. So I've just been faffing around with camera equipment all morning, trying to come up with a better setup. So obviously I made a boo-boo on my lens, but also I was noticing that the lens autofocusing was clicking like hell on that last video, and that does my head in. Half of you probably didn't even notice it, but yeah, I can't stand that. So I've been trying to come up with a bit of a rig, which obviously you can't see right now, to try and get the microphone away from the camera. And yeah, so been failing a bit to be honest. Maybe I'll just go back to that lens and do it on manual focus or something. Who knows? You want to see the bloody rig that you're on now? It's off the tripod, balancing on a block of wood. I shall show you. Now, well, you can see that. So, yeah, bit ridiculous. But yeah, it's all trial and error, isn't it? I do want to improve the videos a bit because I have got lazy with them. Yeah, I think I'm going to go play with the bike for a bit, to be honest, because I'm annoyed. I've just been faffing all day trying to sort flipping camera shit out. So I need to do something to take my mind off it. But I think after a bit of fiddling, we're going to get that to mate up with that.
Yeah. Look, they're going to be shit. They're not quite ratchets.
Right folks, so I decided to call it a day there, messing around with that mudguard. Not really sure what I want yet. Potentially I might end up having to just make a new one, but we shall see. Successful day though, the bike is now half a bike. Yeah, that's the big chop done, so now there's no going back. So, because I was sort of umming and ahhing about how I was going to do it and all of this, I just thought, you know what, f*** it. Cut the bloody thing off, get it done, and now I have to figure it out. So yeah, it's looking sweet. Just got to get the mudguard figured out. Seat is now the right shape, or the seat pan, so that's a job done. I've just got to figure out how I'm going to mount it. Got a rough idea. So, and yeah, it's going good. Enjoying it. It's definitely keeping my mind occupied. Anyway, I'm bloody knackered. But yeah, just going to chill out for the rest of the evening now, going to Marie's van to have some dinner, and probably going to have an early night. So yeah, I shall see you all tomorrow folks. Catch you in a bit.